Namaste children. Let us recall the multiplication of numbers. When you multiply two numbers, you get the product. What if you multiply the same number twice? Multiplying a number by 2, multiplying number twice. There are two different methods. Multiplying a number twice. 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 4 into 4. We are multiplying the same number twice, means 2 times, not by 2. 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 4 into 4, 100 into 100, 525 into 525. You are multiplying the same number 2 times. It is different from multiplying the number by 2. सेम नंबर को 2 बार हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 4 into 4 होता है. अगर एक नंबर को हम 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करते तो वो अलग होता है. लाइक 25 into 2 and 25 into 25. ये दोनों अलग अलग है कि नहीं? हम क्या बोलते हैं? 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, वही नंबर से 2 बार मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. We multiply the same number by 2. We multiply the same number 2 times, twice. 25 into 25. What we write for that is 25 to the power 2. In the next classes, you will be learning powers and exponents. But here you just remember. Why I am telling you this? Because now we are going to study another property of a triangle, Pythagoras property of a right triangle. You know what is a right triangle? A triangle having an angle equal to 90 degree is called right triangle, right angle triangle. In that right angle triangle, we have one property. We learn one property. That property is called Pythagoras property. That is, A, B, C is a right triangle. Okay. Let the length of AC be A. Length of BC be B. Length of AB be B. Length of BC be C. We have the Pythagoras property. It says square of A square is equal to square of B square plus square of C square. And in this right angle triangle, the side opposite to the right angle is called hypotenuse. Square is equal to, and other two sides are called legs. Pythagoras property says square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of squares of the legs, means other two sides. Here square of the side or square of hypotenuse, square of leg, what it means? It is the same thing as I told you, multiplying the quantity 2 times. Here 2 into 2 is 2 square. 3 into 3 is 3 square. 4 into 4 is 4 square. 25 into 25 is equal to 25 square. We define that type of multiplication as square of the same number. Means that same number is multiplied 2 times. Did you understand, Rachu? Arya? And we define the Pythagoras property of a right angled triangle. In this right angled triangle, ABC is a right angle and the side opposite to B, side opposite to right angle is called hypotenuse. A is called hypotenuse and the other two sides. And do you remember, can you recall, these two are the altitudes of the triangle. These two heights of the triangle are called legs of the right angle triangle. So we define Pythagoras property as square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of, we have to add them, sum of squares of other two sides. They are called legs of that right angled triangle. Once again, let me repeat. Same number or same quantity multiplied twice is called as square of that number. And in right angled triangle, the side opposite to right angle is called hypotenuse and the other two sides, which are altitudes also, are called legs of this right angle triangle or sides of the, and we know that they are the sides of the triangle. Pythagoras property says square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of, it is the sum of squares of legs or other two sides. Using this property, let us solve some of the problems. They are in the textbook solved. So please go through them. Till then, I will wipe the board and come to you. In this right angle triangle A, B, C, this side is 3 centimeter, this side is 4 centimeter, this side is 5 centimeter. In this right triangle, let us see that the Pythagoras property is correct. Because this is the right angle triangle, we can say the Pythagoras property. What it says? At B, the right angle is there in this triangle ABC and the side opposite to AC is called hypotenuse. Here hypotenuse is equal to 5 centimeters, that is AC. And legs they are nothing but the sides of the triangle and they are altitudes also, heights also, is equal to 3 centimeter, that is BC, and 4 centimeter, that is AB. So these are the measurement of lengths of the sides of the right angled triangle. And in right angled triangle, The side opposite to right angle is called hypotenuse. Other two sides or the altitudes also or the heights of the right triangle are 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter. By Pythagoras property, what can we write? AC square is equal to BC square plus AB square. Hypotenuse square is equal to sum of squares of legs or other two sides. Here AC is 5 centimeter. So 5 square is equal to BC is 3. 3 square plus 4 square, right? What is 5 square? As I told you, 5 square is 5 into 5. 5 into 5 is 25. And 3 into 3 is 9. 4 into 4 is 16. So 25 is equal to 9 plus 16. 25 is equal to 25. So, because it is a right angle triangle, Pythagoras property holds good for these measurements. Now try for another triangle. And for your information, in your next classes, you will be calling them as Pythagorean triplets. These measurements 3, 4, 5. These quantities are called Pythagorean triplets. Just for your information, I am telling you. Try the next thing which is in the textbook. Till then, I will wipe the board. This is 7 centimeter, 12 centimeter, 13 centimeter. Here the hypotenuse is, let me name the triangle with different letters so that you can learn quickly. This is P, Q. Now tell me, Rachu, what is hypotenuse? Is it not PR? Yes. And what are two other legs, Arya? PQ and QR. Am I right? So, what is the length of PR? 13 centimeter. What is the length of PQ? 12 centimeter. What is the length of QR? 7 centimeters. By Pythagoras property. By Pythagoras property. We can write AC square. Here also we have to change. Did you write? What is the property here? Hypotenuse square. PR square is equal to sum of square of other two sides. Let us check. PR is 13 square is equal to PQ is 12 square plus QR is 7 square and 13 square is, you can multiply and get 13 threes are 39. 3 carry. 13 ones are 13 plus 3, 16. And what is 12 into 12? 12 twos are 24, 2 carry. 12 ones are 12 plus 2, 144. And what is 7 square? 7 into 7 is equal to 49. So 13 square is 169 is equal to 144 plus 49. So 169 is equal to I think I did the mistake here. Let me check. Oh, it is 5, 12, 13. I only forgot C. Mistakes happen. So you have to correct yourself. 5, 12, 13 is another Pythagorean triplet. 169 is equal to 169. Hence, Pythagoras property is correct. Now, let us learn one more thing. Now you know how to find the square of a number. And what if the number is given and you have to find two same factors of that number, so that if you multiply them, you will get the square of that number. See, now you know that 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 3 into 3 is equal to 9. 5 into 5 is equal to 25. And then now the reverse process. What if 4 is given? Can you write 4 as the product of same two numbers? Yes, 2 2s are 4. 2 into 2. So we can write it as 2 square. And 9 as 3 square. 25 as 5 square. Now children, you only enjoy finding two same factors which give you a product, and a number. Find the factor of same two factors of a number to get the product as the same number. Is it confusing? Find the same two factors of a given number. How to find it? If you are given 169, just now we tried. 169 is equal to 13 into 13. By practice, you can remember all these. This is equal to 13 square. And what is that number which when multiplied by the same number gives you 169? It is 13. 13 is the number If you multiply it by 13, you will get 169. So you should be able to find the same number, which when multiplied by it, you get the product. 144 is equal to 12 into 12. It is 12 square. How we can find? By prime factorization method. 144. 2 sevens are 2 twos are. 2 threes are 2 six are. 2 ones are 2 eights are. 2 nines are. 3 threes are. So here 144 is equal to 2 square into 2 square into 3 square. We should take the numbers in pairs. This is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 square. This is 12 square. If you have any doubt, please ask me in the comment box so that I can explain you. Now let us start with exercise 6.5. Before that, there are solved examples in the textbook. Try to solve them on your own. Determine whether the triangle whose lengths of sides are 3 cm, 4 cm and 5 cm. Just now we saw that it is a right angle triangle. And in the next example it is 5, 12 and 13. Here they have asked us to find the length of AB. Let us solve this. Example 6. In triangle ABC, right angled at C. If AC is equal to 5 cm and BC is equal to 12 cm, find the length of AB. CB. It is mentioned that it is right angled at C. It is very important at which point right angle is formed in that triangle. Now, what is AB here? This is called hypotenuse. And these two are called legs. And AC is given as 5 cm and CB is given as 12 cm. Now, find the length of AB. Example 6 in the textbook, which is solved. Find the length of AB. Now, AB is equal to how much? What is the length of AB? By Pythagoras property. By Pythagoras property, hypotenuse square AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. So we want AB square. This is equal to AC 5 square plus 12 square. This is equal to 25 plus 144. This is 169. Now AB square is equal to 169. This is equal to 13 square. By finding the prime factors, 13 ones are 13, 13 threes are. So 169 is equal to 13 into 13. This is equal to 13 square. When we have 169 as the sum of squares of legs of the right angle triangle, we should be able to find the prime factors of 169 in such a way that if you multiply those two factors, you are going to get 169 and you are able to write it as 13 square. So AB square is equal to 13 square. That is AB square is equal to 13 square. Therefore, AB is equal to 13 centimeter. Why? Here AB into AB is equal to 13 square. Okay. Thirteen square is 13 into 13. AB square is equal to 13 into 13. AB into AB. This is equal to 13 into 13. Therefore, length of AB is equal to 13. This is equal to 13 square. Did you understand? Is there any confusion? We found two numbers, same numbers. We found two same numbers. When we multiply them, we get 169. Therefore, AB square is equal to 13 square and AB is equal to 13 centimeter. Let us start with exercise 6.5. Try, children. Start with exercise 6.5. Side square or hypotenuse square is some quantity. You have to find the prime factors of that quantity so that you can write them as square of some number. Then that number is equal to the length of the required side. This is how you have to solve problems on right angle triangle and its Pythagoras property. Exercise 6.5. Now the first main. PQR is a triangle, right angled at P. You should be able to draw the triangle according to the given conditions. If PQ is 10 centimeter and PR is 24 centimeter, find QR. PQR is a right angle triangle, right angled at P, and the side opposite to this right angle is called hypotenuse. And by Pythagoras property, in your next classes, you have to find the justification for this property. That is called Pythagoras theorem. In your next classes, you are going to learn it. By Pythagoras property, we can write QR square is equal to PQ square plus PR square. So we want QR. Write the values of PQ as 10 square and PR as 24 square. 10 into 10 is 100. And what about 24 into 24? 24 into 24. How you multiply them? 4 4s are 16. Carry 1. 4 2s are 8 plus 1. 9. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 6. 9 plus 8 7. Carry 1. 4 plus 1 5. So it is 576. This is equal to 676. Now we have QR square is equal to 676. We should find that number whose square is 676. We have to find the factors of 676. They are same. And when you multiply that pair, you will get square of that number. How to find 676? By prime factorization. 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16. 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 9s are 18. And 13. 13 1s are 30, 13 3s are 39. Again 30 1s are. So 676 is equal to 2 into 2 into 13 into 13. This is equal to 2 into 13 bracket square. This is equal to 26 square. How did we find this number 26? By prime factorization and by grouping the same number 2 into 2 and 13 into 13. If you multiply these four factors, you will get 676. And these four factors can be written as 2 into 13 square, because 2 is multiplied twice and 13 is multiplied twice. Therefore, 2 into 30 raised to 2 we say. It is 26 square. Therefore, this number is 26. Therefore, QR is equal to 26 centimeter. That is, QR into QR is QR square. 26 into 26 is 676. Therefore, QR is equal to 26 centimeter. Now the second one. ABC is a triangle right angled at C. ABC is a triangle right angled at C. Then AB is equal to 25. AC is equal to 7. AB is equal to 25. AC is equal to 7 centimeter. Find BC. Here ABC is a right angle triangle right angled at C. The side opposite to the right angle is called hypotenuse, and the other two sides or heights we can say are called legs by Pythagoras theorem. This is the second one. By Pythagoras property we can say. By Pythagoras property, children, you have to write clearly. Let me write. Property. We can write hypotenuse square is equal to sum of square of other two sides. Here AB is given, so 25 square is equal to AC is given 7 square plus CB. 25 into 25 is 25. Did you get, children? Into 25. 5 5s are 25, 2 carry, 5 2s are 10 plus 2, 12, 2 5s are 12, 10, 1 carry, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5, 5, 2, 6. 625 is equal to 7 square is 49 plus CB square. And you have learnt simple equations. When one unknown is given, two known quantities are there, you can find the unknown quantity. How it is? 625 minus 49 is equal to CB square. Here 49 is with CB square and the sign of 49 is plus. When you transpose it to the other side, it will become minus. And what is 625 minus 49? This is 50, this is 1, and this is 11, this is 5. 15 minus 9 is 6, 11 minus 4 is 7, and 5. 576 is equal to CB square. Now we have to find the prime factors of 576. In the earlier sum here, 576 is 24 square. Directly we can take, or if you don't remember, you can find by factorization. And children, by practice, you will remember squares of the numbers and the number which is multiplied twice, you get 576. So 576 is the number 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16. Then 2 1s are 2 4s are 2 4s are. And we know that 144 is 12 into 12. Or we can further factorize as 2 only. 2 3s are 2 6s are. 2 1s are 2 8s are. 2 9s are. 3 3s are. 3 1s are. So, $576 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 bracket square. This is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24 square. Did you understand this? Now CB square is equal to 576. That is 24 square is equal to CB square. CB into CB is equal to 24 into 24. Therefore, BC or CB is equal to 24 centimeters. Now the third one. We'll continue in the next class. Now the third one. A 15-meter long ladder reached a window 12-meter high from the ground on placing it against a wall at a distance A. The figure is given here. Third one. When you read the question, understand it properly so that you will be able to draw the figure accordingly. And ladder is reaching a window at 12-meter high. Means there is a window and this is 90 degree because the floor and the window, the angle between them will be 90 degree. Here this is the right angle triangle, right angled at B, and the ladder is the opposite side to the vertex B. By Pythagoras theorem or by Pythagoras property, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Here hypotenuse is 15. Hypotenuse square is equal to sum of squares of other two sides. They are legs. Here AC is given as 15 square is equal to AB is given as 12 square. We have to find BC. It is solving like simple equations. 15 into 15 is 225. You can multiply, okay? 15 ones are 15, 1 carry. 15 fives are 75, 7 carry. 15 ones are 15 plus 7, 225. Be perfect with the tables, children. And 12 square is 144. Just now, earlier examples, we have found it. Plus BC square. Now by simple equations, BC square is equal to, here BC square is remaining there only in one side and 144 is transferred to other side. Transposed to other side. We will get 225 minus 144. BC square is equal to 225 minus 144 is 5 minus 4 is 1 and 12 minus 4 is 8. And we know that 81 is 9 square. Therefore, BC is equal to 9 meter. Because BC into BC is 9 into 9. Therefore, BC is 9 meters. Fourth one. Which of the following can be the sides of a right triangle? When we say that Pythagoras property is hypotenuse square is equal to sum of square of its legs in right angled triangle. If we prove that sum of the longest side, square of the longest side is equal to sum of squares of other two sides, because hypotenuse is the longest side in the right angled triangle. If we prove this, then it is a right angled triangle. To check whether the square of the longest side here longest side is 6.5. Square of the longest side is equal to sum of squares of other two sides, 2.5 bracket square plus another side is given as 6 square. Now 6.5 square we have to multiply and get. Did you get Raju? Aryan? Did you get the product? 6.5 into 6.5. It is 5 5s are 25, 2 carry, 5 6 are 30 plus 2, 32. 6 5s are 30, 3 carry, 6 6 are 36 plus 3, 39. So it is 5, 2, 9 plus 3 is 12, carry 1, 4. And since there are two decimal points, we should put decimal point after two places from the right. That is 42.25 is equal to, and 2.5 into 2.5 is 25 5s are 125, 12 carry, 25 2s are 50 plus 12 62, and after two decimal places from the right we have to put a decimal point. 6.25 plus 6 6 are 36, that is 42.25 is equal to 36 plus 6 is 42 plus 25. Do you remember how to add decimal numbers? 6.25. Decimal point is not there because 36 is a whole number. We can put decimal point and put zeros, where these zeros are having no values, and by adding them 5 plus 0 is 25 to decimal point as it is 6 plus 6, 12, and 3 plus 1, 4. 42.25 is equal to 42.25. Yes, this triangle is a right angle triangle because the square of the longest side is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. Yes, it is a right triangle. Now try the second question. 2, 5. This is first one and this is second one. 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 5 centimeter. The longest side is 5 centimeter. 5 square is equal to 2 square plus 2 square. Is this true? 25 is equal to 4 plus 4. No. Therefore, is this true? Therefore, it is not a right triangle. By Pythagoras property, if it is a right triangle, the square of the longest side should be equal to sum of squares of other two sides. Now try the third one. (1.5 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2.5 centimeter. 1.5 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2.5 centimeter. Here the longest side is 2.5. So 2.5 bracket square is equal to 6.25. Just now here we have multiplied, and 2 square is equal to 4 and 1.5 square is equal to 1.5 into 1.5 is equal to 2.25. 15 5s are 75, carry 7, 15 1s are 15 plus 7 is 22, and 2 decimal points are here. Therefore, after 2 decimal points from the right, we have to put the decimal point. It is 2.25. So, adding 4.00, 2.25, it is 6.25. Yes. Sum of the squares of these two sides is equal to the third side. Therefore, it is a right triangle. Okay. Now try the fifth one. Right triangle has the property called Pythagoras property, where hypotenuse square is equal to sum of square of the other two sides. And if in any triangle, sum of squares of two sides is equal to the square of the longest side, then it is a right angle triangle. The fifth one, a tree is broken at a height of 5 meters from the ground and its top touches the ground at a distance of 12 meters from the base of the tree. See, this is the base of the tree, and at 5 meters the tree breaks and touches the ground, distance of 12 meters from the base of the tree. This is the base of the tree and we consider it as a right angle. At 5 meter height, the tree breaks and falls on the ground. We form here a right angle triangle. 12 meters. Find the original height of the tree. What is the original height? BAC. This is C. This is the tree. CB is the tree. And it breaks at 5 meter distance at height and it touches the ground. This AC touches the ground here. The tree, part of the tree, upper part of the tree, when it breaks down, it touches the ground at C. Therefore, the original height is BA plus AC. Now, to find AC. What is AC here? Side opposite to the right angle. It is called hypotenuse. When this is the right angle triangle, by Pythagoras property, we can write hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square or leg square plus leg square. Hypotenuse square here is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. That is AC square is equal to 5 square plus 12 square. This is equal to 25 plus 144. This is 169. Do you remember? 169 is the product of two same numbers 13 and 13. So we can directly write this as 13 square because 169 is equal to 13 into 13. Therefore, AC is equal to 13 meters. Now, height of the tree. Original height. Tree is equal to BA plus AC. That is 5 plus 13. It is 18 meters. So this is how you should be able to solve the given problem. Now the next question. Sixth one. Angles Q and R of triangle PQR are 25 degrees and 65 degrees. Write which of the following is true. In triangle PQR, angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degrees. Angle P plus 25 degrees plus 65 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Angle P plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, angle P is equal to 180 degrees minus 90 degrees. That is, angle P is equal to 90 degrees. So, the side opposite to angle P is equal to 90 degrees is QR. This is angle 90 degrees. Therefore, QR square is equal to PQ square plus PR square. The second option, QR square is equal to PQ square plus RP square is PR square. Second option is the true option. Then the seventh one, find the perimeter of a rectangle whose length is 40 centimeter and the diagonal is 41 centimeter. Now you should be able to draw the rectangle and the diagonal of that rectangle. Seventh one. This is the rectangle and diagonal is 41. A, B, C, D. This is the diagonal 41 centimeter. Whose length is 40 centimeter. This is 40 centimeter. So to find the perimeter, we need the breadth. How to find the breadth of this rectangle? Now consider two triangles ADC and ABC. And what are the properties of rectangle? Opposite sides are equal and parallel. AB is equal to DC and AB is parallel to DC. Here AB is equal to DC, AB parallel DC, and all the angles are equal to 90 degrees. AD is equal to BC and all the angles are equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, AB is equal to 40 centimeter. Now to find AD. In triangle ADC, right angled at D, AC square is equal to AD square plus DC square by Pythagoras property. Okay. Then AC is given as 41 square is equal to AD. We have to find plus 40 square. Here 40 square is 40 into 40. This is equal to 1600 and 41 square is equal to 41 into 41, which gives 1 into 41 is 41, then 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. 1861. 1681 is equal to AD square minus 1600. To find AD square, we have to transpose the other term to the other side. What is the other term? Minus 1600. If you transpose it to the other side, you will get it as plus minus 1600. 40 AD square plus 40 square, AD square plus 1600. If you transpose 1600 to the other side, the sign will change to minus. 1681 minus 1600, AD square is equal to 81. Therefore, and this is equal to 9 square. That is, AD square is equal to 9 square because 9 into 9 is 81. Therefore, AD is equal to 9 meter. Now, when we find AD is equal to 9 meter, then perimeter of the rectangle is found by the formula perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 times length and breadth is equal to 2 into bracket. Here length is 40 plus AD we found that AD is equal to 9 meters plus 9. This is equal to 2 into 49. This is equal to 98 meters. Therefore, perimeter of the rectangle is 98 meters. A, B, C, D. What are the properties of the rhombus? AD is equal to BC is equal to CB is equal to BA. All the sides are equal and diagonals bisect perpendicularly. AC is perpendicular to BD and AO is equal to OC, OD is equal to OB. So these are the properties of a rhombus. All the sides are equal. Diagonals bisect perpendicularly. It means AC is perpendicular to BD and AO is equal to OC and OD is equal to OB. These are the properties of the rhombus. Here the measurements are given as diagonals measure 16 and 30. So 16 dB is 16. Diagonal dB is equal to 16 centimeters and AC is equal to 30 centimeters. Therefore, AO is equal to half AC 15 centimeters and OB is equal to half of 16 8 centimeters. Means AO is equal to OC and OD is equal to OB. Now we consider right triangle AOD. In right triangle AOD, AD is equal to AO square, AD square is equal to AO square plus OD square by Pythagoras property. AC perpendicular BD means what? The right angle is formed at the point O and AOD is considered as the right triangle. And the side opposite to the right angle is AD and it is the longest side. Therefore, hypotenuse square is equal to sum of squares of the legs or the other two sides. By Pythagoras property, we could write AD square is equal to OD square plus OA square. So, AD square is equal to AO is 15 plus OD. OD is equal to OB is equal to OD 8 centimeter. 8 square. This is equal to 225 plus 64. This is equal to 5 plus 4 9, 2 plus 6 8, 289. Now to find the factors of 289 such that we could write them as the product of two same numbers so that we can find AD is equal to that number. How to find prime factors of 289? So by observation we can see that is it divisible by 3? No. By 7? No. Then which number we have to take as the factor of 289? 11, 11 twos are no. 13, 13 twos are 26 and 29 no. 17, 17 ones are 17. Let us try 17 and 17. 7 7s are 49, 4 carry, 7 1s are 7 plus 4, 11 plus 17. Yes, 289. 289 is a square of 17. This is equal to 17 square. Therefore, AD is equal to 17 centimeter. When one side of the rhombus is 17 centimeter, then perimeter of the rhombus is equal to 4 into 17. It is 68 centimeters.